Hey guys, welcome to my first video of web development course for Absolutely Beginner series. This entire series is meant for anyone wanting to learn basic web design and web development, and there is absolutely no prerequisite. So don't worry about any kind of prior web development knowledge. Also, this will be an ongoing course and each video will focus on a different topic. I will continue to upload the video from the front end to the back end for the web development. All the content and the source code will be shared under the description below, and it is a total free. So please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification for my future video. Now, let's get started. So what is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it mainly describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. Each element tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by tags. The tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. Here is a simple HTML example. The doc type defines this document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. HTML tags are element names surrounded by angle brackets. It normally come in pairs like P and /P. The first tag in a pair is the start tag, the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, but with a / inserted before the tag name. The start tag is also called the opening tag, and the end tag called the closing tag. The purpose of a web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari is to read HTML documents and display them. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. Here is a visualization of an HTML page structure. Only the content inside the body section is displayed in a browser. In the next topic I will talk about the editors where you can write your own HTML code. See you there.